Hello, welcome back for another Valentine's look. I'd honestly wear this makeup every day though. Prime your eyelids to start. Starting out with a dusty mauve, blend it out through the crease. Deepening the crease with a plum shade. Bringing it through the crease about 2/3 of the way. Adding more mauve. Swiping on this lid shade, it's like a pink to lavender shift. Brightening the inner corner. Adding a metallic version of the crease shade that's warmer toned. On to the next eye. I end up adding glitter later to spice it up, and I'm obsessed. I love this metallic shade. It's so pretty. Highlighting with my favorite face palette. Concealing my dark circles, redness, and breakouts. Considering getting a color corrector for my under eyes. No matter how full coverage a concealer is, I still have darkness showing through, and it looks like I'm covering a black eye. Cool genetics, lol. Finishing the rest of my base off with a thin layer of e.l.f. Halo Glow and foundation mixed. Baking my under eyes and T-zone, then lightly powdering the rest of my face. Bronzing up the perimeter of my face and lightly on the sides of my nose. Adding a lot of blush because I just like it. I used a slightly cooler tone pink to complement the eyes. Highlighting all the high points with a blinding highlight. Framing the bottom lash line. Adding a pink glitter on top. This palette and brand are discontinued, but this is the best eyeshadow palette I've ever used. Melt the powders. Curling my lashes. My left eyelashes are all jacked up from sleeping on my face. Lining and tight lining in black. Black draws more attention to the eye. Thin layers of mascara. I don't like when my lashes are clumpy, so I make sure I'm doing thin, even layers. Filling and defining the brows lightly. Setting my brows with gel, so they stay put all day. I didn't know what to do with the lips, but I wanted to keep it minimal, so I did a gloss with a light pink color. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.